That was a fast sleep. It means she is totally disturbed. In this passage, she was telling that she is disturbed from mentally because she is not able to sleep properly. She is disturbed state of sleeplessness. Then she is saying that sir, which will not report after her. That thing is not report after her. Doctor said you may meet me personally because that is most essential. Then gentlewoman replied, neither to you nor anyone, having no witness to confirm my speech. Lo, here she comes, veriguous. What is the meaning of veriguous? That is a usual appearance. How she appear all these things. She stand close and observing all these things. Then doctor, how she came by that light? Gentlewoman replied that White stood by her. She has light by her continually in this command, and doctor said that you can see her eyes are opened. At the similar time, gentlewoman replied, whether her eyes are open, but her sense is totally shut. How she is rubbing her hands. You can see in this image how she is rubbing her hands like we are washing our hands. Doctor said, do you mark that? Lady Macbeth replied, Nathaniel 5 had a wife. Where is she now? What will these hands never be clean? No more, oh that my lord, no more that humor, all with this starting. She is saying that number of times she is doing like that. Doctor, go to, you have known what you should not. It means you have to listen all these things, you have to check all these things. Gentlewoman, she has spoken what she should not. She always spoke that words what she should not. I am sure of that. Heaven knows what she has known. Only God knows what she wants to know. Lady Macbeth, here's the smell of blood still. What is the smell still is there? That is smell of blood. And all the perfumes of Arabia will not sweeten this little hand. Oh, doctor, what a size there. The heart is sorely charged. Charged means that is showing sadness and disturbance. That is disturbed. That at that time, gentlewoman replied, I would not have such a heart in my bosom. I would not have such a heart in my bosom for the dignity of the whole body. She is telling that such a weight on my consciousness that I never seen here. The social prestige. Doctor, well, gentlewoman, pray God it be sir. We have to pray to God, sir, only. Doctor, this disease is beyond my practice. Even doctor is not able to know what the disease is going on. Yet I have known those which have walked in their sleep who have died only in their beds. Lady Macbeth told, wash your hands, put on nightgown, look not so pale. I tell you yet again, Banquo is buried, he cannot come out of grave. Here Lady Macbeth tell you have to wash your hand properly. Put on your nightgown because Banquo is not going to come in our life again. Doctor, even so. Here Lady Macbeth feels that to bed, there is knocking at the gate. Someone is knocking at the gate. Come, give me your hand. What's done cannot be done. Whatsoever done once, that is cannot be ever undone. Once a time something is happened, that cannot be retract. To bed. Doctor, will she go now to bed? Gentlewoman, directly. Yes. Doctor, fall worship. Whisperings are abroad, unnatural deeds. How she is feeling that guilty in her minds, all around. Infected minds means guilty. She is feeling some guilt because she wants that her husband is going to be king, and in the end, her husband is going to murdered, and he is not become king. Macbeth did not able to become the king. He got murdered. At that time, she feel guilt that I have lose something. To their deaf pillows will discharge their secrets. More needs she the divine than physician. God, forgive us all. Look after her. remove from her the means of annoyance. She is telling that you have to remove each and everything from her mind and still keep eyes upon her. So good night. My mind she has metered. What the mind is mattered, that she held my attention and my mind made me thinking and amazed my sight. Amazed me, Heran, shocked. I think, but dare not speak. Gentlewoman, good night, doctor. She always saying that good night and she tried to come back. Thank you. This chapter basically told that how Macbeth is going to become king in place of Duncan at the Scotland. Then, due to fight of Norway and Ireland, when they both attacked on the Scotland, Macbeth won that fight. At that time, he became Thane of Cawdor. That is a position in Scotland area that he is not able to become king of that country, but his son become a king because of his bravery. He is very famous. That's all about this story. So thank you. Please go through with the line by line so that you can understand this chapter well, and question might come in between of this chapter. Thank you. Have a good day.